July 11th, 2019. It's about as nice as my yard is going to look for a while. These two trees are getting taken out tomorrow. 25 foot, 30 foot pines. We are also going to replace this generator. It's a 2002 Generac, 15 kW liquid cooled. Perfect working condition, 4-cylinder Mitsubishi engine. .70 amp breaker. $359. Never a problem with this unit ever. Well maintained by a Generac dealer, which is me. Probably take $2,500 for it. It's a great unit. It's got a 70 amp output. It'll run the air conditioner. Again, one last look at the yard on Tuesday, June 11th, before it gets totally wrecked by the excavators and the generator guys and whatever. Rochester Motorsports, check it out.